So here I'll be making a repair of this shoe. The sole is bad, it has no insole at all, so I'll be creating an insole for it. As you can see, the inside is empty and it must be hurting the person's leg for long. So I'm cutting the threads that was used to sew it round. So I need to be careful so I don't damage the whole shoe. So here's the damaged sole, it's gone, and I'm here fixing another insole inside it. Can you see the insole? So let's go. So I think I need to remind this shoe of its previous life. So here it comes. I am removing the last from inside of it. I really want you to see what the inner sole looks like. That part that has been hurting the person's leg before. Look at it. It now have leather and even a shoe pad inside it. So we are done. It's different from the previous life.